So today we decided to go to a very deep place inside. Actually, it is a transboundary between Kisumu, Nandi, and Busia. So I think the other side of the other side of the hill overlooks the western area, but this is actually Nandi Hills. So this is around 15 kilometers from Kisumu town. And so we chose to ride a bike to this place. Look at how beautiful the terrain is. And again, this one here is called Nawasco. This is where the water that is used in Kisumu come from. So these are the offices. And now in this place, there is a waterfall. Look at the monkey. Look at this little monkey here. And so you can see some animals. So today we decided to go for a nature trail. So look at this hill. It doesn't look very steep, but this one is very far. I don't think we are going to make it to the peak, but it's going to be a nice adventure. Look at the stones. They're massive. So I'm here with my friend. His name is Brent Washington. Look at this, bro. Uko sure tunaweza fika peak huko? Tujikaze. This place is nice. So if you've never been to Nandi Hills, here we are. Hey, don't hit me up, okay? So look at the terrain. Look at this place. Wow. So this is where the whole water that is used in Kisumu town or Kisumu city comes from this point here. So I think the filtration, the treatment and everything happens here in these tanks. So you see the water, I think the water comes in through these pipes. I think they are harvesting the water from the hills, and then it gets here, and then the filtration takes place, and so that is when the water is pumped to the city. I don't know how many millions of liters they. If you can see that is, I think, the first storage after purification, that one there. So it's a big project. So right now we are headed to the waterfall. Yeah, we are going to see it's a waterfall. Actually, we've never been to this place. We only found it in the Google. This is it. Ndio nakwambia, the local people. So this is again another entrance of water. As you can see, it comes through here. But if you look above, you can see where the waterfall is and the first place where the water has been intercepted. So it's a nice place.
My idea was there's a big river, alafu wanaitap mahali wanapo
So this is another tank. Look at how big this stone is. Bro, this is nice. It is not a waste of time, bro. So, like I told you, we are 15 kilometers away from the town of Kisumu. And so we saw this place in Google, and so we decided to visit this place. So because there's no cars or there's no main road connection that comes to this place, so we had to hire a bike, and now we had to ask people around through the village until we are here. But at least we are not disappointed. Look at the water. So this is where this is a river, and it looks like these people have intercepted this, and that is where they harvest the water, and then purification takes place, and then it is pumped down into the city. The one bad thing is we cannot see the city from here because there is another hill on the other side, so we are like engulfed in between two, 3, 4 hills in between. Or is it a mountain? This is a hill, maybe. So this place has been fenced, so we don't know. Okay, look at that. Oh, wow.
Do you waterfall?
Look at how beautiful that is.
Yule mtu wengine ameamua kutoka boda afanye tour.
Yeah. So hata ungekata kufanya tour in this place, Buddha. Boo, probably there's a way we can go to the main point. Let's follow the way. So that is the peak on the left side. We are going to try to climb it, but we don't know whether we are going to make it because already it is late, and this place was far, and then we lost direction like 4 or 5 times. So we actually wasted a lot of time until we made it here. The master of bad decisions. We follow the nature trails, the hill, the hiking, and today we were chasing the waterfalls, and here it is. And so the bad thing today, we don't have a tour guide, so we even don't know the name of the river, or there is no local person around that I can ask. But it looks like there are 2 streams. This is one from the hill. Actually, it looks like this is not a river. It looks like a spring. The water comes from the rocks, because you see how high that place is. So there is a stream of waterfalls around. So not just the main.
Imagine your home, your ambience.
So imagine this person living here, and always waking up to this their entire life. And look at, they have some animals. Look at where that house is. Wow. Ambience, look at how clean the air is. This life is just nice in this place. You live in
no noise, no pollution.
No noise pollution, no anything, just enjoying life. Why? So we thought this is a home, while actually it is a resort, and maybe this is going to be our home for today. We're going to spend the night here because already it is late, and this place is so nice. I think you will want to spend some more time here. And because we already left the motorbike guy to go, so we don't know which means we are going to use to go back. I think the best thing tungefanya ni tungehire. So we have started the trail uphill. So we want to see where the... Actually, we have been told that is not the waterfall. So the waterfall is up. So we have to do some climbing before we reach to that place. And so the bad thing, there's no way. So you have to follow through the paths and go up the hill. Look at how beautiful this place is. And you know the sound of water, the birds. This place is just therapeutic, bro. So, looks like hapa kuna hadi wanyama bado. Wow, look at this place. Where are you lost? Look at how beautiful this place is. Maze, this place is nice. The sound of the river. Let's go up. Tuende juu kidogo hadi pale. Ama hima. Are you tired?
Very.
So we are still going uphill, and so it's very steep. So we have to be running. So, wow, bro, this is it. Ndio hii. Wow, look at this place. Bali, this is it. It's not other place. It's just here. So tunaenda hadi tukia ile and then we start going back. Wow. So my friend is struggling to climb this place. It's a nice place. Yeah? But you really get tired. Like now, I'm very tired. And the sun is almost setting. Wow. Hey, Maze, I got tired. Hey, already we are halfway, and we don't think we are going to make it to the top because it's getting late. It's getting late. We are running out of daylight, so we are going to try to reach that place. You see, the beginning of the waterfall there, and then we drink that water, and then we start our way back home, back to the city, Kisumu. I actually don't know where the direction to Kisumu is from this place, but I don't regret making this decision. It was a nice one. Hey, so we are back on it again. I'm trying to make it to at least 3/4 of this hill, but already I'm sweating profusely. So this place is very lonely. I don't know what will happen if you get an animal here or people. And in this place, I look like a foreigner. I don't look like these people here. They are very big, they are very huge, and they have that darker complexion. Yeah. So this is it. Wow. Hey, but I'm feeling my lungs. I can barely breathe now. So these hills actually have waterfalls, like 4 of them. This is, I think, the biggest one, but it is not that massive waterfall that you're used to. It's just water coming down the hill with some kind of force. So there is no any kind of economic activity that takes place in this area. As you can see an animal, domesticated animal, but I see some kind of slashing. I don't know who was doing this. And if you look at this keenly, it looks like there was some kind of wildfires. Anyway, so we made it this far. We've enjoyed. Oh. So I want to drink water at this place. So I don't know whether this water is safe for drinking, but because I'm thirsty and it is down the rocks in this place where there is no people, but the water is very cold.
Anyway, wale.